We are deeply saddened to announce the death of Hewanna St, affectionately known as Mena of Blanchard Deriso, who departed this life on August 26, 2022, at the St. Jude's Hospital. She was 39 years old. Left to mourn are her mother, Susanna St. Martin, affectionately known as Agatha of Blanchard, father, Hilary Charlery of Canada, two sons, Shamar Cooper and Deshawn Cooper, both of Blanchard, sisters, Senna St. Martin of Blanchard, Paulette Charlery of Deriso, Mylene Charlery of Timon Union, brothers, Miguel Charlery, Michael Charlery, and Michelle Charlery, all of Monnier, Brian Thomas of Deriso, Emerson Charlery of Deriso. Nephews, Caden and Kidej Modeste of Blanchard. Brother-in-law, Emilius Modeste of Blanchard. Aunts, Marcella Jassou of Guadeloupe, Kathlina Alphonse of Blanchard, Fifi Charlery of Margaret Miko. Uncles, Herman Charlery of Lapwet Monrepo, Eugene St. Martin and family of Miko, Peter St. Martin and family of London, England, Urant St. Martin and family of Blanchard. Granduncle, Cherries Polidor, also known as 007 and family of Blanchard. Grandaunts, Teresa Langelier and family, Luna Cooper, also known as Apushul and family, Pauline Joseph, also known as Duo and family, close cousins, Stephanie and alias St. Martin of Corinth, cousins, Kent and Shamika Markey of Blanchard, Madeline and family of Monsieur Choiseul, Celine and family of Choiseul, Agatha and family of Morgauge, Kizzy and family of Morgauge, Bibi Japierre and family of Dariso, Elder Anderson and family of Dariso, Marina and Paulie McFarlane and family of Dariso, Paulina Anderson and family of Dariso, Lydia Anderson and family of Dariso, Nasha and Monroe of Dariso. Home family, Mary and Cedric Frazier of Florida, Jasmine, Felix, Chloe, and Zoe Citalos, all of England, Algernon James of New York, Virgilia James, Yamika Descott Bro and family, and Johan Descott, all of Florida, Vanessa James of Dariso, Jeanne, Grantley Ricardo, Lee, Glenn, and Renan Promise, all of Dariso. Good friends, Soraya William of Blanchard, Feria Charlery of Monrepo, Arlene Celestine, Heather Fannis, Godfather, Jameson McFarlane, Godchild Lyra Cooper of Angers Deriso, also left to mourn, Mariana Jabatis and family, Maggie Paul and family, Mary Markey and family, Veronique James and family, Suzanne Thomas and family, Leona Malcolm and family, Julia Daniel and family, the McFarlane families, the Promise families, the Charlery families, the St. Martin families of Monsieur, Choiseul, and the Malcolm families, Israel Leon, Teresa Flood, Christopher Frederick, Sheena Frederick, Petra Jerson, Teresa James, Trevor Frederick, and Aggie Serrier and their families. Many other families and friends, too numerous to mention, both here and abroad. The funeral service for the late Hewanna St. Martin, also known as Mena, will be held at the Deriso Evangelical Church on Friday, 16 September 2022 at 2 p.m. The body will then be laid to rest at the Deriso Cemetery. The body now lies at Lazarus Funeral Home, New Dock Road, therefore, may she rest in perfect peace.